Welcome to the history of a Tudor Christmas here at Hever Castle. You may have heard of wassailing through the 19th century carol Here We Come A-Wassailing, but the tradition actually has much deeper roots, and the word itself is Anglo-Saxon and roughly translates to your good health. In the Tudor era, wassailing, however, was a much more boozy affair. In order to go wassailing in the Tudor era, you'd have needed a wooden bowl, a wassail bowl, and inside you'd have placed hot ale, sugar and spices. Now, sugar and spice were incredibly expensive commodities in the Tudor era, and the mixture with the hot ale would have been a very heady experience indeed. At court, the wassail bowl would have been paraded into the Great Hall by the Lord High Steward, who would have held it aloft and cried "Wassail," and the court would have sung before drinking from the boozy bowl.